So the second marathon day already finished. We are at the bivouac, everything is okay. So today we have 280 kilometers, about 253 is special stage. Today almost all the day we drive together with the Gaetan. Sometimes we help each other with the navigation in the tricky points. When we finished, only one bike was in front of us. And all the day I'll drive after the Gaetan, so I eat so much dust.
The terrain was like always in Croatia, a lot of rocks and stony mountains, especially on one of the big one we climbed. That was really nice. I like it, but it's very hard for the arms and for the quads. At the very beginning, we started 5th and 6th, so Mindegas was just after me. Unfortunately, at the very first kilometers, I just get lost. I made a mistake, so Mindegas passed me. It took me some time to come back on Mindegas. So after maybe 40 kilometers, we were back again together, and we finished the second marathon stage together.
Yesterday I repaired the muffler because the holder was broken. Today this repair doesn't work till the finish, so now technicians need to repair it. What was new, the front final gear was broken, some noises comes from it. So I drove about 20-30 kilometers only with the rear wheel drive and something with the CVT, because it's sometimes, how to say, put in the neutral gear, feels like that.
No problem, no technical problem. It's working as when we started the marathon stage. I think I have just the boots on my axle, and that's almost it. I just lose a cover for the roadbook, but it's not raining, so it's not an issue. For tomorrow, and we know that it's a short stage, like 90 kilometers. I quite expect from the organizer to make it very hard in navigation. So yeah, let's see. I think if we redo like today with Mindegas, we have our chance to climb on, to win time. Yeah, we don't know the results yet, but only one bike was in front of us. So I think we did a really great job.